You came back. And that means everything. Most people watch one video and forget. But you showed up again. That is the habit that changes everything. Hi, I'm Sarah, and welcome back to Clarity English Talks. In part 1, we shadowed your entire morning, from the moment your alarm rang to the moment you walked into work. But here is what nobody talks about. The most natural English does not happen in the morning rush. It happens in the evening. When the day is over, you are relaxed, and real, comfortable English just flows out. That is exactly what we practice today. Your evening routine, your bedtime routine, and 5 small vocabulary secrets that will make you sound completely natural. Stay with me. This is the part that makes the biggest difference. Here's what is waiting for you in this episode. 10 evening routine sentences, 10 bedtime sentences, and 5 vocabulary secrets used by native speakers every single day. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, that's okay. You can start right here and go back later. But if you already finished part 1, welcome to the second half of your day. Let's begin. Listen first, then shadow me, one sentence at a time. Ready? Let's go. 1. I finish work and say goodbye to my colleagues. 2. I take the bus back home after a long day. 3. I stop at the grocery store on my way home. 4. I pick up some bread, milk, and fresh vegetables. 5. I go to my kitchen and start preparing dinner. 6. I eat my dinner slowly and watch something on television. 7. I call my parents to check on them and hear their voices. 8. I do some light stretching in my living room. 9. I sit down quietly and read a few pages of a good book. 10. I get everything ready so tomorrow morning is easy. Pause for just a second. Those 10 sentences, did they feel a little easier? A little more familiar? That is not a coincidence. That is your brain connecting with English, getting stronger. Now, let's move into your bedtime. These are the quietest sentences of the day. Speak them softly. Shadow me slowly. Shadow these peaceful sentences with me. 11. I take a warm shower before I get into bed. 12. I change into my soft and comfortable pajamas. 13. I brush my teeth one final time before bed. 14. I set my alarm for 6:30 sharp. 15. I turn off all the lights, one by one. 16. I check that the front door is locked before I sleep. 17. I get into bed and pull the blanket up slowly. 18. I think quietly about the good moments of my day. 19. I close my eyes, take a deep breath, and relax. 20. I fall asleep peacefully and rest until morning. You just shadowed 20 sentences. Evening routine, bedtime routine, both complete. If you are practicing with me right now, drop a comment below. Just one word. Tell me how you feel. I read every single one. Now, before we finish, let me share something special. 5 small vocabulary secrets that will make your English sound completely natural. These are not big grammar rules. These are small word choices, but they make a huge difference. Secret number 1. Use sharp for exact time. Don't say, I leave at 8. Say, I leave at 8 o'clock sharp. Sharp. It sounds confident. It sounds native. Secret number 2. Use grab instead of take. Don't say, I take my keys. Say, I grab my keys. Grab. Native speakers say this every single day. Secret number 3. Use check instead of look at. Don't say, I look at my phone. Say, I check my phone. Check. It sounds more natural, more confident. Secret number 4. Use turn on and turn off. Turn on the coffee machine. Turn off the lights. These 2 phrases used constantly, every day. Secret number 5. Say, get into bed, not go to bed. When you lie down at night, natives say, I get into bed, not go to bed. Get into bed. Remember that one. 5 secrets. Simple, small, powerful. Start using them today. Look at what you did today. 20 new sentences. Evening and bedtime, complete. 5 vocabulary secrets, learned. And combined with part 1, you now have 50 daily routine sentences. 50 real sentences you can use every single day. Here is your challenge for this week. Practice part 1 and part 2 every day, even just once. By day 7, these sentences will start coming out on their own, naturally, without thinking. That is what fluency feels like. And your comment challenge for today: write 1 sentence about your evening routine using anything you learned today. Any sentence. Make it yours. I want to see it below. This is Sarah from Clarity English Talks. Thank you for shadowing with me today. Keep listening, keep repeating, keep improving. I will see you in the next lesson. You are doing great.